Hello students, welcome to computer class. Today we will read and practically see how to work in LibreOffice Impress. Before we start the chapter, we will learn about LibreOffice Impress. LibreOffice Impress is a component of LibreOffice Suite, which is used to create simple and appealing presentation. Presentation is collection of slides, different pages in which you can add text, you can add pictures to explain your topic. Now let us see practically how to work in LibreOffice Impress and what is LibreOffice Impress all about. Now students, first we will learn starting LibreOffice Impress. To start LibreOffice Impress, first we will click on Application, then Office, and then we will click on LibreOffice Impress. Now you can see LibreOffice Impress is open. Now here this is title bar, and here this is menu bar where you can see the menus, and this third bar is standard toolbar. These are slide view buttons. This fourth bar is line and filling toolbar. This is workspace. This is slide pan where you can see your slides, miniature slides. This is drawing toolbar. This is sidebar. And at last, this is status bar where you can see the status, how many slides are there. Okay, now we will learn creating a presentation from a template. Now to create presentation with template, first click on File menu from the menu bar and click on Wizards, and then click on Presentation. Then you will see these options. From these options, click on From Template Radio button. Choose it, and then any color you can choose. Let us take green, or you can change another color also. These options you can see yourself. Let's take yellow color. Next, from these options, let us see abstract green. Here also you can change the color. Select an output medium. From here I will choose original. And then we will click on next. Now here is the option select a slide transition effect. If we choose wipe up, the slide will come like this: wipe right, wipe left, down, clockwise, clockwise, 8 spokes, clockwise 8 spokes. So these are the transitions. So you can choose any one. Then the speed: slow, medium, and fast. So choose whichever you like and select the presentation type. Here I will choose the default. Then I'll click on next. Here you will type three answers of the questions. What is your name or the name of the company? What is the subject of your presentation? Further, ideas to be presented. Now I have filled the information and then I'll click on next. First slide will look like this. Now black color is not properly visible on red, so you can see you can change the color of your slide. I'm taking this one. Click on create and your slide will look like this. Okay, your first slide will look like this. Now if you want to take next slide, click on insert and then click on slide. And for example, if you want to take one more slide like this with same information, okay, then what you will click on insert, duplicate slide. Same slide it will copy. Now we will learn using gallery. There is a gallery in LibreOffice Impress. How to use that gallery? Before we use gallery, let us learn what is gallery. Gallery is the collection of images which you can use in your presentation. Now here we will use the gallery option of LibreOffice Impress. First we will click on, now here I have written the definition of computer. Now I want a picture of computer here. Okay, so let us click on the menu tools. Click on tools menu and then click on gallery, and from the gallery there are so many pictures on different topic. For example, different types of arrows, backgrounds, bullets, computers. Now different topics are there, okay, different themes are there. I want picture of computer, so I'll take this picture, right click it, insert. Now the picture is inserted, right? When you will click on this picture like this, as you can see here, green dots, right? From these green dots you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Okay, and also when your arrow becomes like this, you can drag it anywhere on the screen. Okay, so this way we can add different pictures from the gallery in our slide. Now we will learn different views of a slide. We can see the slide in different views. First view is this, normal view. Now here the slide is in normal view. In the normal view, we can create edit slides. It has options to add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects as well. Now here in the normal view you can do editing of the slide, add pictures, text, sound, etc. Next is the outline view. Click on outline view. Now here you can see it shows the text part of the slide. Outline view shows the text part of the slide. Next is notes view. In the notes view you can add extra notes with the slide. Extra information you can add in the note section. As you can see here, click here to add notes. Next is handout view. If you want to take out the printout of all your slides, you can use handout view. From the handout view, you can adjust all your slides on a paper and then you can take the printout. Means if you want 4 slides on a paper, if you want 6 slides on a paper, 2 slides on a paper, this way you can take the printout of all your slides of a presentation. Next is slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, what you can do, you can arrange your slides, different slides. For example, if I want this first slide on number 2, what I'll do, I'll click on this slide and drag this slide on number 2. Now our first slide is changed and first slide has come to number 2, right? This way we can arrange our slides. Next is slideshow view. For slideshow view, what you will do, click on slideshow menu, click on start from first slide, and here is your slide, first slide of your presentation, second slide, third slide. Okay, this way you can see all your slides of the presentation.